That black yo magic, 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 magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo. Look at that black yo, hitting me with all of that melanin, hocus baby, hitting me with all of that melanin, hocus.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Djanesha, for those who may or may not know. My hair is sectioned and pre-pooed. I use this, the Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition pre-shampoo. So after I do that, I'm going to wash and shampoo my hair. I'm going to wash and condition my hair with this. I'm going to go ahead and wash and condition my hair, deep conditioner, all that, and then I will be back. Okay, so these are some of the products that I will be using. A leave-in condition, a twisting cream, a oil to seal all the moisture in. And I'm just going to be doing 2-strand twists all over my head.
Been on the breezer, fresh 4-pack sitting in the freezer. Ain't that Djanesha? I heard she was a skeezer. She used to hit them licks with the visas. When I seen her with the homies, I was like, Jesus. It's been a little minute since I seen her. Hope I'm in the runner, cause I have to pull a name.
There's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't stay. But when I finally found
When twisting my hair, I was doing chunky / medium size / large twist sections because I didn't want super defined, curls, because I was going to like mess them up a little bit by putting them in a ponytail or whatever.
there's something about this girl, man.
Let's go.
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 There's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't stay. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. You can try to run and hide, it won't make a difference. You can't lie to yourself.
Okay, so I left the front section off because I wanted to do 2-strand like flat twist. So that's what I'm doing right now because I wanted a bang. So I thought that would be the best method. I never had a bang before, so I didn't know if it was going to turn out right or not. But you'll see in the end how it turned out. So yeah, I'm just going to do my 2-strand flat twist, and yeah.
There's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't stay. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Yes, sir, that's her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her. Yes, sir, that's her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her.
See, I'm a crip in dark blue chucks, and I does what I does, yeah, I might say good. It's really weird cause I got love. Snoop Dogg's a crip and the girl was a blood. She told me that her baby daddy was a thug. Now it is what it is and it was not was. I'm not a little mama like good Monday moon stack trying to get my keys back. All these memories breed seeds of a rhythm rhyme pleaser. Please lay back while we sipping.
Alright, so I'm going to let it dry overnight and I'll be back the next day. And I am going to just take the twist out, use some of that same oil, and just unravel the twist. Try to be as gentle as possible. Yeah. I was going for a high puff with the bang, but in the next couple of clips, you're going to see I changed my mind. All I'm doing now is just fluffing and separating the hair, well, my hair, to get it all big and nice and fluffy and juicy and stuff like that.
Let's go, go. There's something about this girl. 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 Let's go, go. There's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings?
Okay, so as you can tell, I wanted to do a high puff, but I couldn't make up my mind if I wanted to do just one big high puff or like two puff balls and space balls. But I decided the space balls was cuter, and so that's what I went ahead and did. So what you want to do is just separate the hair. It ain't got to be perfect. It ain't got to be, a straight line across your head. But you just want to do two puff balls on the top of your head and just leave some hair out in the back. And then undo your bang. But if you want to make sure that you don't have too much bang, go ahead and unravel your twist in the front first and then do your ponytails, because I felt like I had too much bang. So do as I say and not as I do.
There's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't stay.
Okay, so with unraveling the twist, you want to make sure you're careful, because you will create a lot of frizz unraveling these twists. I think my hair just don't like me. It's gonna frizz up regardless if I take my time or rush or not. So, but just make sure you got that oil on your hands when you unravel them. Try to contain the frizz as much as you can. But if your hair like mine is just gonna frizz up because it wants to, then it still turned out cute though. So yeah.
Saying I does what I does, yeah, I might say it's really weird cause I got love. Snoop Dogg's a crip and the girl was a blood. She told me that her baby daddy was a thug. Now it is what it is and it was not was. I'm not a little mama like good Monday moon stack trying to get my keys back. All these memories breed seeds of a rhythm rhyme pleaser. Please lay back while we sipping on the breezer. Fresh 4-pack sitting in the freezer. Ain't that Djanesha? I heard she was a skeezer. She used to hit them licks with the visas. When I seen her with the homies, I was like, jeez.
Alright, you guys, so this is it. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Just wouldn't stay.